Hi everyone! Right, today we're going to be looking at taking some fantastic photographs with a twist. We're going to take some meticulous photography. Meticulous, it means to show great attention to detail, being very, very careful and precise. So I'm going to show you a couple of meticulous photographs that I've taken as part of this project. Okay, so you can see there that I have arranged some items from around my home in a meticulously detailed order. Okay, I've thought really carefully about where they're placed and I have meticulously arranged them. Okay, now this lesson is based on the photographic artist Emily Blincoe. So one of the first things that I want you to do before we even begin to look at how to make these photographs is I want you to go onto Google and Google the work of Emily Blincoe. Find a photograph that she has taken that you're particularly drawn to and save it to your device. And once you've done that, come back to this video. Okay, so welcome back. How does Emily Blincoe use design in her arrangements? So I'm hoping that you notice some particular repetition of design in her work, in that she does particular things very, very well. So she uses contrast really well. So I want you to be thinking about that when you take your photographs. Have a contrasting colour of your objects with your background. Okay. She uses repetition really well. So she repeats a pattern over and over again in a very precise, meticulous way. She has really paid close attention to the alignment of her objects and the proximity that they are to each other to create groupings and patterns. Okay. The step one of making a meticulous photograph is you need to find a collection of objects around your home. So you may want to pause this video now, run off, and find something that you want to take a photograph of. Okay. I found these. So I had a lovely bunch of flowers from my mother-in-law, Pauline. Shout out to the mother-in-law, right? She sent me a lovely bunch of flowers and I used the cuttings of the flowers to create a meticulous photograph, and I'll show you that a bit later on. Step 2, arrange your objects. It's that simple. Place close attention to where you're going to arrange them. Find a suitable background. Plain is best. Think about exactly how you're going to order and arrange your objects. Don't just whack them down in any old order. Really think about it. And don't forget about your lighting. This is the #1 top tip of this lesson. You could create a fantastic arrangement, but then when you photograph it in the middle of your bedroom, it looks really dark, okay? Then you'll try and carry it outside where the light is good and you'll mess up your arrangements and you'll be furious. Try and think about that now. Position your objects somewhere where it's really light. Now, I took a number of different photographs with the Lego arrangements, some in the shade and some in the light from the window, and you can see the difference there when I dragged my arrangement from the shade to the light of the sun. Just what amazing effects that will have on your actual arrangement. I mean, I think that looks really striking, and I'm sure you could do something even better. Step 3, photograph your arrangement. Right, sounds simple, but if you take your photographs from far away, it's going to look rubbish. You've got to get right up close, you've got to tap your screen, you've got to get it in focus, and you've got to make sure that you take the best shot possible of your arrangement. So here's the photographs I took. These are before I edited them. So you can see that I've tried quite hard to get a meticulous arrangement there. Alright, step 4, edit your photographs. Now, I'm going to show you in another video how to edit them, but when you do, you'll get this kind of a look. So you'll have the white of the background spring out, you'll have the colours in your objects really ping out from the background, and I will show you that in my second YouTube video on this task. Okay? Right, go on, go and find some stuff to arrange and photograph. Have fun!